Live. Well, March around here is known for its wide swings and also its wind. And we've got a lot of that in the forecast. We're going to go from rain, even storms, to snow in about a 36-hour period. So hang on for kind of a wild ride here. But in the meantime, a lot of clouds out there dimming the stars. And this is the beginnings of that storm that will be developing. Now, you'll notice much of the storm is still way out here in the Rockies, where we've got heavy snow in Salt Lake City tonight and also in the Mogollon Rim in northern Arizona. But boy, once the storm moves out into the plains, it'll blow up, and boy, heavy snow on the backside, and that's for us a lot of rain, and yes, even perhaps a little bit of severe weather. We'll talk more about that here in just a few minutes. But in the meantime, let's focus on the outlook. What's headed our way with this storm? We got two waves of rain and storms. It still appears. Now, the first one's going to arrive tomorrow evening and last right into early Wednesday morning. Pretty steady rainfall, wind-driven at times, and there could be a few embedded thunderstorms in that. And the second wave will come in the form of a little broken line of kind of low-top thunderstorms that'll swing in here Wednesday afternoon, and that could have a severe storm or two with it. And then it all ends as a period of snow on Wednesday night, early Thursday morning with a lot of wind, and there could be 1 to 3 inches the way it's looking right now. Notice on Futurecast, a lot of clouds tonight, quite a few clouds tomorrow with a little sun peeking through at times. Warmer tomorrow with a brisk south and southeast wind, but the rain overspreads the area tomorrow night. It's steady. It could be wind-driven at times, and there could be a few embedded thunderstorms. But the bulk of the rain will start to taper down somewhat Wednesday morning, and then we get a break on Wednesday afternoon. And as a matter of fact, the clouds may even part a little bit. We may see a little sun, very strong south wind, gusts almost to 40 miles an hour, and it could warm up. We could be up to 64 Wednesday afternoon. And with that heating, a little broken line of storms will form along the very strong cold front. That could swing through with a couple hailers, perhaps an isolated damaging wind gust during the afternoon and early evening, and then it's some snow Wednesday night into Thursday morning with some accumulation before ending. The winds will decrease, and then finally Friday is looking more tranquil. Rainfall-wise, though, which may lead to a little flash flooding, cause the river to come back up. Notice easily over 1 inch of rain, pretty much area-wide here, about 1 inch to 1.25 inches. And finally, that wet snow. This is what we're looking at. Still think the models are handling this fairly well. This is Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. About 1 inch Lafayette and Frankfort, but boy, we could get 2 to 3 inches up towards Winnemac, Rensselaer, and Morocco. All right, tomorrow morning, 31 winds out of the east, 48 by noon, and 55 by 5 p.m. Quite a few clouds, a little sun, and winds picking up and turning to the south-southeast. There's the outlook, 64 Wednesday, but only 34 on Thursday. We stay around 40 right into the weekend. With a couple of light rain and snow showers on Saturday. But boy, very active, Nicole. Hang on.
Yeah, that looks like a 30-degree temperature drop there.
In a very short period of time.
All right, thanks, Chad.